Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is an info channel. I'm Dakshabati guys. So today's video I'm going to tell you the very interesting things. What is that is there is an act that listed 6 fun activities to pass your time. Okay, when you feel bored, just follow these activities. These activities will help you guys. Okay, let's begin to the video. The number 1 activity is very interesting activity. Whereas that is it's so popular too. Just watching a movie guys. Okay, just go and watching a movie. This is one of the best activities. Okay, it's one of the very best fun activity guys. Go and watch a movie in your computers, cell phones, TV. That's your life. It's up to you guys. Just watching a movie. That was the very best fun activities. Okay, so let's be more on the another fun activity. The fun activity number 2. Okay, I got a list of the things. It's like this. Okay, the number 2 is watching YouTube videos. Okay, go on, search your favorite videos and watch the guys. Okay, that is great. Okay, you also watch my videos too. Okay, my videos are one of the best videos in YouTube, so just watch my channels, and my channel is Twitty channel. Just subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, let's begin to the another fun activity is what was that is just listen to music. Okay, if you like to listen to music, just like it guys. This is the best fun activity. Okay, it's one of the best activities you guys. Just go and listen to music. Okay, just do it. It was great. Okay, so the activity number 4 is it's for girls. Okay, I just say that thing. Okay, this activity is especially for girls. What is that is just paint your nails. Okay, just paint your nails girls. That was one of the best fun activities. Okay, lots of girls do it, and this was the best suggested fun activity. Okay, so let's begin to the another activity is very great fun activity. It's about very interesting. What is this? Just do on a yoga guys. Okay, you like to do on a yoga, just do it. Okay, yoga is one of the best fun activity. Okay, just do on a yoga, do an exercise. You just want to exercise means just grab some exercise lights, grab dumbbells, weights, whatever you like, just do it. Do some exercise and do on a yoga. That was a great thing. And also you can meditate. Okay, meditation is one of the best fun activity. Just do it guys. It's just very helpful to you guys too. So another fun activity is there is a 6th fun activity. Yeah, there's a great thing. What is this? Just cook. Okay, cook your favorite meal. Okay, bake a cookie, whatever you like, just do this cooking. Okay, it was one of the best fun activity. Go and cooking. Okay, and also you like to eat, just eat your favorite food guys. This is also one of the best fun activities. Okay, just do these things. Okay, so these are the fun activities I just you to pass your time. Okay, that was a great thing. I believe that you enjoyed this video. This is an info channel. I'm Dakshabati guys. For more videos, to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video guys.